Good afternoon, I'm meteorologist Evelyn Maruzak, and here I am at SLU at the clock tower with a live look from this morning. And off you can see that it was pretty overcast and rainy this morning, and that comes from the drop in temperatures bringing in our rain. We will also be tracking Hurricane Beryl and looking at the future forecast for this week. Today though, our high was 74 with the low 66, which is a little different from our normal and of course our record at 103 record set back in 1936. And of course we've had a little over 3/4 of rain today, and we started off with 0.02 inches today in the morning. But let's take a look at yesterday's temperatures. So yesterday we were much warmer. We were in the 80s, like 82 here in St. Louis, 77 in Springfield and Rolla. But if you look and see these green temps out over here in Nebraska, this cooler air came in and swooped into the St. Louis area to bring in our temp right now of only 70. So that's like an 18-degree difference between yesterday and today at this time. So that's pretty significant with the colder air mass coming in. And our humidity though is 87 with our winds coming from the northwest at 15 miles an hour. Right now though, a look at the radar, we do have some rain here in the St. Louis metro and beyond area. And Hurricane Beryl's kind of chilling down here in the Boot Heel of Missouri and northeast Arkansas. And Beryl will be continuing out through the southern parts of Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio, and kind of just through Kentucky the next couple days. But Beryl is calming down and is now in her post-tropical depression, and that's because of this warmer air mass coming in from the southwest, like the Pacific and the desert. That's all coming in here and cutting off this moist, warm air masses here coming down from the north and up from the Gulf of Mexico down here. Now, looking at the future forecast for this week, this will be Wednesday evening. Not much going on. We have some, just a little bit of cloud cover here in the St. Louis metro area, but we want to take a look at this area out here in Nebraska and Kansas. This system will be moving its way into Missouri and eventually the St. Louis area on Thursday morning. So here's Thursday overnight, still just barely entering the Kansas City area, but then when it comes to wake up time tomorrow before the morning commutes, that's when the thunderstorms and the rain will be here in the area. So you can see it stretching from KC through Columbia, now here to St. Louis. And at the beginning of our morning commutes, gotta watch the roads, make sure you're watching for flooding, because that's when we are in kind of the height of this rain system coming through the St. Louis area. Even at 7:10, kind of in the middle of commutes, that's when it's kind of just getting here between Jeff City and here, but it'll still move out more into the Illinois part of our broadcast area. And then by 9:20, after like people normally get to work, school's already started, the storm has moved off into Illinois and Indiana. And then in the afternoon, we will have, or late evening, we will have clear skies here in the St. Louis area. But to reel it back in for tonight, we do have our showers exiting this evening with an overnight temp of 66 and our winds still coming in from the northwest at 15 miles an hour. Tomorrow though, we will have a high of 85 with mostly sunny skies, but our wind is still going to be a bit breezy, but only at 13 miles per hour. For the rest of the week though, it is a baseball and soccer filled week till next time. So Wednesday, we do have partly cloudy skies. Thursday, all that rain that we went through will be coming back through the area in the morning. Friday and Saturday and Sunday, we're going to have sunny days, but filled with some clouds to shade yourself when you're outside supporting the Cardinals, supporting the soccer teams, so that'll be pretty good. Our temperatures over the weekend will be in the 90s, so make sure to be hydrating, drinking lots of water, and wear your sunscreen. And then on Monday and Tuesday, the temperature is going to still be going up. We're going to have 97 on Monday and 96 on Tuesday. Thank you.